Building credit with Chase Bank is a straightforward process that can help you establish a strong financial foundation. To start, you need to understand the basics of credit and how Chase Bank can help you achieve your financial goals. First, you need to open a Chase Bank account, which can be done online or in person at a local branch. Once you have an account, you can apply for a Chase credit card, such as the Chase Freedom or Chase Sapphire card. These cards offer rewards and benefits that can help you build credit while also providing cashback and travel perks. To build credit with Chase Bank, you need to make on-time payments and keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means paying your credit card bill in full each month and keeping your balance below 30% of your credit limit. You can set up automatic payments through the Chase online portal or mobile app to ensure you never miss a payment. Another way to build credit with Chase Bank is to become an authorized user on someone else's account. This can be a good option if you are new to credit or have a limited credit history. As an authorized user, you will have access to the account and can make purchases, but the primary account holder is responsible for making payments. Chase Bank also offers a credit builder loan, which can help you establish credit from scratch. This type of loan requires a deposit, which is used as collateral, and allows you to borrow a small amount of money that you can repay over time. As you make payments, you will build credit and can eventually qualify for other credit products. To monitor your credit progress, you can sign up for Chase Credit Journey, a free service that provides access to your credit score and report. This tool allows you to track your credit history and identify areas for improvement, helping you build a strong credit profile over time. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can build a strong credit history with Chase Bank and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always make on-time payments, keep your credit utilization ratio low, and monitor your credit progress regularly to ensure you are on the right track.